มาให้อาหารหงส์กับเป็ดนะคะกับนก Okay, today I take you to feed some ducks, swan and birds, seagull with my husband. With my husband as well. Come on. Don't pull on my head. Can you see over there? มองไปทางโน้นค่ะ seagulls หรือนกนางนวลมีมากมายเลยนะคะ Good guy.
Yeah, good look.
Right, we got to feed swan just now. ไปให้อาหารหงส์กันค่ะ มีคนเชื่อว่าถ้ารักกันนานๆจะเหมือนกับหงส์ค่ะ ที่อยู่คู่กันนานจนแก่ตายจากกันไปเลยนะคะ แต่ว่าตอนนี้หงส์มันมีอยู่ตัวเดียวค่ะ เดี๋ยวจะหาคู่ให้มันก่อนนะคะ
Don't get too close to the ducks.
มาแล้วค่ะหงส์ตัวหนึงไม่รู้ตัวผู้หรือตัวเมีย Is it female or male honey?
One of them. I don't know. There'll be a couple anyway. One will be male, one will be female. I think the female will be smaller.
Don't come too close to me. Like.ต้องระวังค่ะ เพราะว่ามันตะกะค่ะแย่มันกัด Have to be careful. Probably they are so greedy and bite you as well.
They'll bite me.
So, bite the people who feed them. I don't think it looks like swan. It's like duck.
It's a swan. Definitely a
Why
swan.
so small?
Hey, it's small.
Yeah.
Too big to be a duck, I don't.
Ooh. Greedy. I think it's quite polite to swan.
Yeah, maybe.
Or maybe so sleepy.
Maybe just a young swan, because it doesn't have a ring on its leg.
Yeah.
Most of them have rings, I think.
It's quite small as well. Actually, it should be bigger.
Okay.
Yeah, God.
Guy seagulls?
Yes. Don't bite. Yes. Yes. Over there.ผมพูดนี้สุภาพมากเลยค่ะ so polite one. กินเข้าไป Eat, just eat. เริ่มสำลักแล้วค่ะ aspirate or choking. I think so. Maybe we can go to feed another pond as well. More swan, more duck. Because yeah, I think it starts to get full now. See, pond is 80